We started showing the Jesus film in 1981. Things were completely different from what it is today. We were focused on using the film as an evangelistic tool. At least 500 million people watched the film. And God used it as the greatest tool, at least in the history of India. But everything changed. Today, people own television sets, they have comfortable homes, people have less and less time. With the rise of Islamic fundamentalism, the Hindu fundamentalism also started. And as a result of it, there's a lot of fear and suspicion between the different communities. And they are not so interested in coming to the village square and watching the Jesus film.
God is calling us to meet the needs of a changing India with a new strategy. We call it the Church Planting Movement Initiative. We've taken many of our church planters and trained them in this new strategy.
So in this strategy, that we are giving more emphasis for follow-up, and that too in a given target area.
और मैं जीसस फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट में
Over 9 years, I have screened the Jesus film to 216,000 people and 22,000 have come to Christ. I used to just show the film, but now I am a church planter. I am building leaders who can multiply. This strategy will plant churches and train leaders, who will in turn plant more churches and train more leaders.
This church plant initiators will plant 2 churches within 1 year time. So these 2 churches are going to multiply, and through the believers we are going to reach other villages.
When we started the church planting movement, we deployed 2 people in one particular target area, and we told them that okay, this is the village where you are going to stay and where you are going to work.
It all starts with prayer.
We pray and we train the people and we send them into the target area. And now when we evaluate the success of the 1 year, it's working beyond what we expected.
It feels good to build leaders in small groups because the people minister to each other. And through this multiplication, the work can be done much faster.
Today, we have 600 whom we believe have a pastor's heart and the gifting that is necessary to start a movement of church planting.
It's very easy. When people know the church planters on a personal basis, they will trust them more. And when they will trust them more, they'll trust what they're teaching.
And in fact, we find that in the smaller groups, when we show the film and start interacting, up to 50% of the people come to Christ.
They are taking initiative to train the new believers so that these lay leaders may take over and they may continue this ministry.
More leaders will come up from the same place, and in turn they will impact the neighborhood.
In the next 3 years, the goal in India is to plant churches in 10,500 villages.
I am seeing enough examples which makes me believe that we are just seeing the beginning of a big movement being started by the Spirit of God.
I'm excited to share with you what God has been doing with this new strategy. One of our church planters here, and he has started his ministry into this area. And now we can see a new multiplication going on in the second generation. What going on is here is a second generation prayer, share and care group. So you can see the second generation leader. Now he is leading the group. So the church plant over here has 8 different groups, and now he has prepared 3 second generation leaders who are multiplying and leading their own groups.
My desire, my goal, my prayer, my dream is to see that as we expose more people to the gospel and as they are built up in the churches, we would be able to see thousands of people rising up. And the Great Commission will continue to be fulfilled in India and beyond India.
I believe that hidden within the changes in India are great opportunities. We have discovered them and a movement has begun.